Wow.
The Losi Micro-T. What we've all been waiting for. 28th scale, not quite the 36th that it was the first time, but 28th scale, two-wheel drive, stadium truck. Get this opened up, see what all comes with it. Should be relatively the same as the Micro Bs. So, let's get it opened up. Cute little thing. Definitely just a little bit shorter of a wheelbase. With the SRT2 controller. Charging cord. AA batteries, and a couple tools, a couple stickers, and a booklet. Alright, let's take a look at the actual truck. Oh yeah. Oh man, it's so much more responsive. Alright, let's take the body off. Okay, so Velcro in the front, hinge in the back. Looks like it's 3 screws to take it off, to replace it. Battery is in it, not plugged in, of course. Alright, so far I like the look of this. I mean, it's relatively the same, just a little shorter. It feels better. I'm gonna do a test drive and see how it does. It should be, even though it's 28th scale instead of 24th. All right, so for the Micro Bs, I've been using my SCX24 Dynamite RC toolkit, just because it's a couple tools, nothing crazy. Okay, and yeah, the Dynamite RC SCX24 toolkit, quick start kit, does work perfectly fine for both the Micro B and T. Now let's compare. It is a cute comparison. So that is the Mini T 2.0 versus what the Micro T looks like. Alright, let me get a battery on charge and do a quick drive and see how it does. So looking at them side by side, they are relatively identical build-wise. The little lever to release the battery, same spot. It is the same 2-in-1 ESC combo. Same 350 milliamp hour 30C 2S batteries. Looks like same shocks. I know it's the same AS-1 servo. The servo horn is longer. It's really the main difference that I can see, you know, looking at it side by side. without driving it. Got the battery charged up. Let's get it back in. Lift that lever up this way. Lift those wires over. All right. Get batteries in the controller real quick. Controller is on. Start button. All right. Already feels more stable. Let's put a battery in this. All right, so they do come with the same controller. I'm gonna have to make a Micro-T sticker for that one. Make sure all the wheels are tight, and then holy shit. Wow, I was not expecting it to actually make it over that like that. Okay. That's cool. That one's a little jacked up. Okay, not quite. If the wing was just a little shorter, it would fit under there. Ooh. Dang. She's good. Outstanding how consistent this is. Just happy. It's all around a lot better, a lot more nimble. I honestly think it's a little more peppy. This is awesome. I'm happy with what they did. It's gonna be a fun one. And you can race in such small areas. For reference, this room is only 9 by 12. So that's only a few feet of area. You don't need much room with these. The big tabletop will do it. All right, so that's about all for this. Let me know if you have any questions, or you need a certain tutorial. Definitely like and subscribe. I'm gonna be doing some upgrades. I've got literally the whole bag of upgrades for this. I just never had a chance to get to them. So some of those might end up on here. While I'm waiting for more parts to come in, but we will see. Definitely be doing some 3D printing of parts for this, and some modeling of other stuff. So yeah, typical carpet, right? You know, carpet issue right there. Just stuff around the axle. Yeah, I did drive it on concrete for a second. It just likes to spin around. These tires are not concrete friendly, but it is fun on the carpet. Thanks for watching.